Wash the car, Jordan. Good job.
Yeah, it's great washing the car with your dad on Father's Day, isn't it?
Nice father-son activity.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Water
Oh,
got on the ground?
a little bit of soap on the ground? It's okay. You can just leave it there. You don't have to clean it up.
Yep.
Daddy will just rinse it away later. Get some more soap. Get all the dirt off the car.
Yeah. You get lots of the soap, don't you?
Are you going to do the license plate? Make it all shiny and clean? You're such a hard worker. Oh, you want to do a little bit in the back? On the wheels, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Good job, Jordan. Would you like to spray the car? Help Daddy spray the car?
No?
You watered enough today? You're into soap right now? Oh, get the lights? Yeah.
They go sing.
Can you make it shine? Yeah. Good job.